Before starting any project, be sure to review the owner's manual and other instruction materials. Once you've completed reviewing, set up your sprayer and mask the area you're ready to paint. Be sure to adjust the air cap horns based on the direction you're spraying. Horizontal for spraying up and down, and vertical for side-to-side movement. You can also adjust the width of the spray pattern by simply switching the adjustment dial to wide or narrow on the eye spray nozzle, or by turning the air cap to the angled position on the gravity gun. The material flow control changes the amount of paint or staining. It's better to start low than increase when you want to go faster. Use the included spray poster to do a quick test spray and familiarize yourself with the adjustable settings. Be sure to keep the sprayer 6 to 8 inches away from the surface and the sprayer pointed straight at the surface. On a wall, start by cutting in at the corners and along the floor and ceiling. Then fill in using full passes and overlapping by 30%. As a tip, if you're painting wood, spray following the grain for best results. If there's a spot you missed or a thin coat, lightly spray over that area to fill in and blend the paint. This can even be done after the first coat is dry. The FLEXiO 4300. Great for all spray projects.